To resolve the issue of a Doordash account being locked for review, follow these steps. First, understand that account locks are a security measure implemented by Doordash to protect users from potential fraud or suspicious activity. When your account is locked, you will not be able to access your account or place orders. To unlock your account, go to the Doordash website or mobile app and try to log in. You will see a message indicating that your account is locked for review. Next, click on the link provided to submit a request for review. You will be asked to provide identification to verify your account ownership. This can be a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Once you have submitted your identification, wait for Doordash to review your account. This process can take several hours or days, depending on the volume of requests. In the meantime, ensure that your account information is up to date and accurate. This includes your name, email address, and phone number. To prevent your account from being locked in the future, use a strong and unique password, and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Also, be cautious when clicking on links or providing personal information to unknown sources. Additionally, if you are a Dasher, ensure that you are following Doordash's terms of service and guidelines. This includes providing excellent customer service and following all applicable laws and regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can resolve the issue of a locked Doordash account and prevent it from happening in the future. Remember to always prioritize account security and follow Doordash's guidelines to ensure a smooth and successful experience.